Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Netsi, a home cook who likes to explore and experiment in the kitchen. So I'm here to show you simplified recipes that are easier to follow using the common ingredients. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make chicken pot pies with fries. What I like the most about this dish is the combination of chicken, vegetables, and fries in that rich cream sauce. It's so nice. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to go through the ingredients that I'm going to use. So here I've got my puff pastry, chicken, fries, onion, garlic, carrots, salt, pepper, thyme, cream, butter, peas, flour, vegetable stock, and my muffin tray. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just starting off by cutting my fries into small cubes, then set aside. Next I'm going to cook my chicken. So what I did with my chicken, I marinate it first. You can use any spices of your choice. For my chicken, I used paprika, salt, and pepper. So I'm going to cook 3 minutes each side. The good thing about this recipe is you can use even leftover chicken. Then what you need to do next is cut your chicken into small cubes, or you can just shred it, whichever way you prefer. So this is my chicken, and here I just melted my butter and I'm going to cook my onion. Just going to cook it for a few minutes. Then adding garlic. Then carrots. Then again cook just for a few minutes. Then I just added flour. And next I'm going to add my vegetable stock, but you can use chicken stock, but today I'm just using what I have in my kitchen. So yes, I'm going to use vegetable stock. Next I'm just going to add cream. Then my chicken, peas. Then I'm going to season with pepper, salt, and I'm just going to add thyme as well. And just mix it well. Make sure it's well combined. So this is our filling. It's ready now. So here on my pastry, I'm just going to cut into small circles. Then we're just going to be pressing down the dough in the muffin tray, and make sure you also press down on the sides as well. Then now we're just going to fill the muffin tray with our filling. As for the filling, you can actually use any filling of your choice. Same as for the vegetables, you can either add more vegetables or put any vegetables of your choice. And now we're just going to top it up with the fries. Then bake for 25 to 30 minutes. And there you have a delicious chicken pot pies with fries. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again in our next session. Until then, have a great day. Thank you.